Hi friends, in this video I will be showing two methods to add a fallback model. First, let me list all models configured in this OpenClaw setup. Run this command OpenClaw models list. It will list all models configured in this setup. See, it says 4 models. First one is a primary or default model. So here you can see the tag default, and these are fallbacks models, fallback 1 and fallback 2. And third one, so this is just model that I configured, but it's not set as primary or fallback model. Next I will show you how we can add new fallback model. Just run this command OpenClaw models fallbacks, then add, then you can mention the name of the model that you want to add. Just run this command. Done. It says updated this configuration file. So now the fallback models are GPT 4.0 mini, 4.1 nano, then this new model. See, after this let me again run that models list command. See, now you can see the third fallback model here. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2, we can directly edit OpenClaw configuration file, then add a fallback model. This is a configuration file openclaw.json. We can open this file in Vim or Nano editor. Let me open. Then check for this models section. Under this models section you would be able to see all models configured. Here you can see a primary model and other models that just configured. Then go to top, just go up. Then under this model section you can see the current default or primary model, then the fallbacks models. See, and here in this list you can find that new model. So if you want to add new model, you can just edit this JSON file, then add new model here and here under model section, then under fallback section. So that way we would be able to add new fallback model. After that we need to save this file, then restart gateway service. Just run this command. That way we can save these changes. So these are our two methods. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.